Yeah, what's up guys, your boy Dion back again with another video. Today we're simply just gonna be remaking a beat by Fireboy DML featuring Asake known as Bandana. So simply what we're gonna start with is a Nexus preset. It's a muted guitar from Nexus. Muted guitars too. It simply plays this rhythm. I think in the original song they might have used this preset, but I'm not so sure. For the effects, what I simply have is first I have a parametric EQ, and then I have a chorus, and then a flute convolver, just for the ambience, for reverb, let me say, and then another convolver, but it has a different preset. It's a cabinet preset. It's one of the guitar cabinet presets, which actually give it the vibe I'm looking for. If you don't know how to find it, you simply just go to the presets, and then there's plenty of presets. It's actually a great plugin, guys. Next up, I have a fruity limiter. This limiter is just to tame some frequencies, and then a parametric EQ just to push some highs and cut some lows and add more to the cabinet vibe we're going for. Without the effects. And with the effects. Yeah, a major roll there. So next up I came with the FM flute. This is the closest thing I could find to the sound they use. The whole song is in the key of F sharp major. First I was playing an F sharp major, then a C sharp major, then an F sharp major again, then a B major, and then a B major again, and then a C sharp major again. And then as you can see, the bass notes are pretty firm, and their velocities are pretty down because I didn't want to feel that frequency range. Sounds like this. Once I exported it out, I then actually wanted to change the sample rate because it had a little bit of more high end than I needed. So we're going to change this from 4000 to 2000. So you come here, edit properties, come to the sample rate, change it, change the amount 2000, press on resample, and then tempo sync, and then accept. Then you'll get something in this sense. Which I simply just got rid of the high end. So for that I wanted to lay it with something else. So I came in with this Noia pad from Contact. It's actually just for layering purposes. So we put it on low filter. So it was on high pass filter. So we put it on low pass filter. Sounds like this, very subtle. Yeah, so for the effects, I simply just have a parametric EQ, so put it more in the background. As you can see, the volume is pretty low together. Yeah, pretty close to what they did. So next up, I then came in with a bass. I'm using a bass from the kit I'm working on, guys. So it's a synth bass. So it's actually the synth bass. Okay, so it plays this. Actually, what it does is actually just following the pattern of because I ever put an envelope on it and then I increase the attack a little bit up just so to make it smooth. Simply just following the chords together with the melody. Yeah, pretty vibe. next up, then move to the drums. The drums are pretty simple. It just shows you that you don't really have to do much to create a nice beat. Most of the sounds are from the kit I'm working on, guys, as well. I have a kick playing 4-step, and then a snare, another rim to layer the snare, and then another higher rim to layer the snare. The snare is actually this pattern. Well, this is simply just another snare edit, and I have an open head, and then I have this perk and another perk. I combine them to get the sound I was looking for. So next up, I came in with the 808. I have an envelope. Make sure to add your envelope to have your envelope on. So for this, I increase it out a little bit just so to make it a little bit more shorter. So the first pattern plays this. As you can see, it's also just following the chord, but within octaves. And I have a second pattern for it as well. The second pattern is slightly different, but also the same. And I have some rolls there. For the rolls, I simply just made this notes a little bit shorter, and then I place them on the right positions. The last thing I added is a violin that plays in the outro. Tried my best to replicate it. So what I'm actually using for it is Purity. I merged acro low and a mid string, and then I came up with this sound. Place this pattern. Automated the volume of the notes in the piano roll, which made it a little bit more realistic. So this was just to show you guys that some beats are actually just simple, so you don't really have to complicate every beat, and then it makes it easier for the artist to to sing on it and rap on it and all that stuff. So this was just to show you guys how to make something similar. So please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one, guys.